Bachata is more for the corazoncito.
More passion.
Yes, more Romeo Santos. Hello, you crazy awesome dancers, awesome supporters. Thank you for your love. As always, this is episode 6, I guess. Yeah, so this is the update for today. We're almost there, and today's video idea also comes from Jamie Slate, and he asked basic step 5, 6, 7. I turn the girl, prepare the hands, arm and throw 5, 6, 7. On bachata we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go. 1, 2. I arm the arm. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I arm the arm. You got the idea. So we will use here those preparations to one side. This is the move that we usually teach the first when we're talking about throwing hands in different positions. Like really fast tips, we are not going to go like in a lot of detail, yeah. We turn the girl, doesn't matter, and we go for her elbow, yeah. In salsa and in bachata also. We arm, we prepare, we go here. I am not using this hand to throw, I'm using this one. I throw, I stop here, like, you know, like let's say I threw 180 and I stop, you know, like throwing a ball and your hand stops and the ball goes. The girl always
goes with the hand up, and only when the guy is asking the hand, I will go down.
Of course, girls, just like really fast, you can embellish that movement in many ways if you have time, yeah, stuff like that. So this is the basic that we teach in salsa and in bachata first. Of course, everything we do now you can do on the other side, yeah, but for the sake of this video, because I'm like right-handed, it comes more natural for me to do them on this side, but you can go on this side also. Now we are going to do the first variation, to say so. Basic in salsa 2, 3, I turn the girl. I also arm here, I prepare it like 1, I'm not letting go this time, I use like a cutting technique. Here I throw the hand underneath, yeah? So fluid, it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I wait a second and I turn the girl. 1, 2, 3. In bachata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I can turn directly. Of course, we can modify all the moves, do them faster, do them slower, get something in between. But now, like, let's say simple variations. In this specific variation, we are using that preparation, but we are not letting go of the hand. So we are not throwing, we are just kind of leading. So we change from her elbow to my elbow. I cut, meaning my right hand is like the knife, this is like the butter, so I let go, I catch underneath. Here I switch from, let's say, you know, like, how do you call this when you do the... Hitchhiking? When you're hitchhiking, okay, I'm going like that way. Here I am switching on the gladiator style, go down, yeah? So from hitchhiking, I go to gladiator and I throw the hand, also here at the elbow. And then when it comes natural, I turn the girl. She didn't expect it the turn. So slowly one more time on salsa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I wait a sec. 5, 6, 7. And in bachata the same thing.
For the variation number 3, Marius is going to throw both arms like alternatively and then ask for them the same way.
One rule here is what goes first up must go down also first. So basic step in salsa. 1, 2, 3, let's go 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I prepare also 1, 2, 3 and 5, 6, 7, and I end up with a carissa on bachata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as I said previously, you can do this in multiple ways. Do it faster, do it slower, doesn't matter. But this is like the baseline. So, we just start the same, like doing that turn, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I arm here, I prepare on 1, I throw on 2, I throw on 3, something like this. 1, 2, I stop here, 3, and 5, 6, 7, of course I have that 4 as a break, you see, she's got both hands up, and I ask alternatively, so 5, 6, 7, and I can finish with the caricia. So, let's do it one more time like this, without the feet, like prepare on 1, throw on 2, throw on 3, ask on 5, ask on 6, or like 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, doesn't really matter, it's on this part, 5, 6, 7. And on the next one, like 1, 2, 3, we do a caricia to end it. In bachata, it's a little bit easier. 1, 2, 3, 4. I prepare on 3, 4. I throw on 5, I throw on 6, I ask on 6. Oh my god. I throw on 5, I throw on 6, I ask on 7 and 8. So it's like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4.
So remember, for the ladies, here we have a very important technique that you should need to know. Always, when the guy is throwing both our hands, but not in the same time, like alternatively, the one that is going up first is the one that will go down first. It's very important. And also for the leaders, when you are asking for the hands, alternatively, you need to ask like one by one. Don't go with both your hands like this, because the girl won't know where to go with which hand.
Yeah, so just fast here. Pam. I throw, I ask, I ask.
¡Qué bueno!
Number 4 is gonna be also like a hand throw with a stop and a hammer lock. So salsa, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and we go with a left turn to get out 1, 2, 3. In bachata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wait because bachata is simpler. 5, 6, 7, 8. But of course, I can complicate everything. Like instead of going basic step, I can do like a prep turn and so on. So, without the steps, a little bit about the technique. So I turn the girl, I prepare the hand. Guys, here, when you want to stop, go a little bit with her, like, you know, you catch and you go a little bit. It's like the brake on the car. It's not hitting a wall. It's taking some time. It's like to smooth the landing, the stop. And also stop a little bit like in the viewable area. Yeah, like here, you see she can see a little bit, especially after I throw it. Boom. Yeah. Don't, let's say, go like this. Yeah, because she won't see it, she won't feel it. So, we prepare, we throw, we intervene and catch it. Yeah? Afterwards, with this one, we do like from the thumbs up to the thumbs down to go a little bit on the wrist and do a circular throw behind the back in a hammer lock. So on counts, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And from here, just do that basic exit, 5, 6, 7. Now, for the bachata, same thing, a lot easier. That's why people love bachata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we go out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, actually, people don't love bachata because it's simpler. They love it for different reasons. My reason is I really love the music. I don't know, like I love also reggaeton, like the Spanish music. Well, also salsa is Spanish, but you know, like bachata is more for the corazoncito.
More passion.
Yes, more Romeo Santos. But I also like salsa. Okay, Marius, moving on. Number 5. We are going to go in a little bit more difficult one. We are going to involve some caricias. So, basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. This one we are going to show in both ways, but bachata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. From this position, 1, 2, 3, and let's go. I'm so tired, I just wanna sleep. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Seriously, so 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And in bachata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, for this movement, it's a little bit more difficult because, as we said previously, we have more complicated things, more moves in a shorter time. Yeah, so you can do this in all the moves, complicate them. But the technique to say so without the steps. We turn the girl. We prepare the hand. We catch the hand, but right after we have thrown the hand and we have some space, we go elbow in. And then here we will change the grip, we'll show you in a second, and go into a caricia. So, prepare the hand, throw the hand, catch the hand, elbow in, caricia. 5 things. So, let's go from here, turn the girl, prepare, catch. Let's say my hand is here, but we want to get out of the way to show you this. Thumbs up, it's like I'm a baby again, like elbow in, but not uppercut. Go a little bit towards the shoulder outside, boom. And also from the baby, yeah, go here, palm up, and let go. Was it with the let go? Yeah, with the let go. And then here, go into the caricia. Now we are focusing on this grip. So, one more time. I prepare, I catch. Let's say elbow is in, we got rid of that. Now here, I am here, so my fingers are like this, facing down. How do I go for a caricia? I'm not going like this, yeah? I let go, I release a little bit, and I want to go here. You see, on the part between her thumb and her index finger, to say so. Like this, and boom, yeah? I'm not going like in the victory hold, but I rotate, and it's a little bit more easier here, yeah? And that's it. Now, let's put it on counts, a little bit on salsa. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the majority of the things happen on 1, 2, 3. In bachata, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and exit. You see, in bachata, it's mostly on 5, 6, 7, 8.
For the ladies, when we have combos like this, when the guy is playing with our hands, we need to have a few things in our mind. First, we have to match the speed that the guy is throwing our arms with. The second thing that we should keep in mind is we need to have our arms a little bit flexible but in control. So they don't have to be like too relaxed to not have control over them, but not too tense, because if we have them like strong, the guy won't be able to throw them and move them as he needs. Also, a very important thing is to separate a little bit your arms from what you're doing with your steps and your body. You don't have to be scared, okay, what's happening with my hands, and forget about your steps. You just need to let your steps go and just follow the guy with the arms.
Thank you for watching. We hope you liked this video, because in this one it was 2 in 1. You have now like 5 combos for bachata and 5 combos for salsa. If you liked this video and you want to say more things that can be done in salsa and also in bachata, let us know in the comment section down below. And this was Jamie's idea, so give him a thumbs up if you see his comment down somewhere. Bye bye.